Hello everyone, Hammer Reviews here with another Smart Mark video, unboxing video. Without further ado, let's start the video. Firstly, we've got AAW The Art of War 2017. Matches that I would recommend on this DVD is El Hijo del Fantasma going up against Loki, and also I'd like to recommend Michael Elgin and Brian Cage going up against Desmond Xavier and Jeffrey Brent, and last but certainly most on this Blu Ray, Sammy Callahan, Dave and Jake Forrest going up against ACH, Ray Phoenix, and AR Fox. Very good design on the front, on the disc, and on the back. On to my second Blu Rays, AAW The Chaos Theory. Matches I would recommend on this Blu Ray is AAW Heritage Championship matches, ACH going up against an undetermined opponent, and last but certainly not least, the AAW Heavyweight Championship match, Sammy Callahan going up against Ray Phoenix. Last off in the Blu Ray section, AAW Homecoming. Matches I would recommend on this Blu Ray are the AAW Heritage Championship match, ACH going up against Penta L0M, Trevor Lee going up against Phoenix, a tactical masterclass by Zack Sabre Jr. and Kyle O'Reilly, and last but certainly not least is for the AAW Heavyweight Championship match, Sammy Callahan going up against the professional Loki. Very professionally made. It's got very nice disc and the back. That's another Smart Mark videos unboxing for now, and I'll be back very soon with more unboxing videos.